2003, Chris and I visited Yellowstone National Park. We found that if we wanted to see moose, we had to get up early in the morning. It paid off as we were lucky to get to see this bull moose right along the roadside. This bull moose didn't seem to be bothered by us at all. He just kept on eating. We truly were fortunate to be able to film this mighty moose in his natural habitat.
I wonder if he's eating a berry or what. He's pretty selective in his bush.
The moose kept a close eye on us, but he didn't seem to be bothered by our presence.